Good afternoon, everyone. Here's Gerald from Jared's Car Reviews. Sorry for the long wait, just been very busy. Now I'm back making videos. Anyways, today, let's take an in-depth look at the 2018 GMC Yukon Denali. Today, I'm going to give you all a full tour of the Yukon. I'm going to start up. I'm also going to show the engine, and I'm also going to show you guys the inside and the outside of the truck. So, here's the key. Just going to start up first. As you can see, the Yukon does come equipped with remote start. Also has GM Smart Key Access System. Make sure the key goes into your pocket. The doors are currently unlocked. Press this button here to lock it. Then after waiting a second, push the button again. Then once more, pull out the rest of the doors. It's a gray exterior with black leather interior with the Denali logo on the headrest. Power driver's seat. The power climb. Power lumbar. They also have running boards as well. Also has push button start. Just put your foot on the brake. Hit the button to start. Little Christmas music playing. Nice. It's got a full leather wrapped steering wheel.
This vehicle is in demonstration mode, connected by OnStar's high-speed 4G connection. Press the blue OnStar button.
Very smooth power steering. It's got GM's new 10-speed automatic transmission. You also have low gear selection, and you have manual shiftability via the plus and minus on the shifter. You also have tow haul mode as well. You also have a backup camera with guidance lines right there. Cargo race located down there. Alright, let's go call on the lights, fog lights, and the hazards. Has an automatic driver's side window. Check out the exterior. That's beeping because the key has left the vehicle. Got your LED side turn signal indicators on the mirrors. Got HID headlights with the LED daytime running lights and your LED turn signal indicators. There's your fog lights. Got your LED tail lights with the LED turn signal indicators. There's your backup camera. There's your exhaust. capless fuel tank. Oh, it's gonna pop the hood. It's got the 6.2 liter V8. There's your battery right there. Nice. Got your power windows, window lock, power mirrors, which also fold. Got 2 person memory settings, storage down there. I was gonna give it a couple of revs. Very nice. Got your climate control with your temperatures. Got your one-touch automatic. Fan speed. You got your different modes. That's your different modes right here. Your recycling, front defrost, rear defrost, your rear climate control right here. You also have 3-stage heated seats for the driver and passenger. You also have ventilated seats as well. You got some storage in here with a USB outlet and a 12-volt power outlet. The cup holders. Put the key in there real quick. Just do cup holders right there. Got your wireless charging port. Got some storage in here with 2 USB outlets right there. And you have a USB outlet. Got your radio controls. That's your different stations right here. Very nice. Got your phone right here. Your voice. You also have your voice command, your contacts, your recent phone calls, your keypad. And you got your different phones right here. You also have navigation. You can pinch out. You can do all that. It's very nice. got your text messages. And you can also press this button right here. That'll rise up the screen. It'll reveal a storage area with the USB outlet. Very nice. And you got your home menu. You got your audio, your phone, projection, or your Apple CarPlay, navigation settings. You got all of your settings right here. And you got your weather. It'll give you a there's your 5-day. It'll give you a 5-day forecast as well. Nice. You got your driver info system right here. You got your voice command.
Say a command or say help.
Help.
You can say phone, audio, navigation, weather, or OnStar. To call a number quicker, say call followed by the number, like this. Call 555-1212. To quickly change what is playing on an audio system, say commands like tune to FM 101.1 or play followed by the name of an artist, album, or song. For faster access to destinations, try a command like this. Find address 1.
Cancel.
Speech session ended. Goodbye.
You got your Bluetooth phone controls, your cruise control right here. You also have a heated steering wheel, and you have forward collision warning. Got your turn signals. You got your wipers. At high speed. There's low speed. And right there you got your tachometer, your oil, temperature, fuel gauge, battery, and your speedometer. And right there is your gear selector. Very nice. And right here you have your tow haul mode, your adjustable pedals, if you can see them. I don't think you can see that, but you got your adjustable pedals, your traction control, your parking sensors, and your lane departure warning. Got your heads-up display right there. Interior lights, sunglass storage, sunroof, very nice. All right, so I guess that's it for the inside. We'll go ahead and put the window down, and we'll check out the back seat. And you have your four-wheel drive right here. Your power window. Storage. You also have captain's chairs back here. That's your climate control right here. Hold on, focus. Okay, so you got your climate control right here. Then you also have your one-touch automatic, your different modes, 3-stage heated seats, your driver and passenger, your different temperatures, USB outlet. You have a house outlet. And you also have an armrest right here. Sorry if you can't see, it's getting a little dark outside. I was going to check out the hatch. Storage. You can also fold these the third row seats down by pushing this button right here. So that way you can put more stuff back here. Nice. Oh, I forgot to show this. You also have a rear entertainment system as well. And you have your interior lights. Got your power window, door handle, power door locks. Storage, power passenger seat, glove box, very nice. All right, so it's gonna start up with the door closed. Very nice. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the tour on the all-new 2018 GMC Yukon Denali. If you're interested in buying this car at Highly Buick GMC, please contact them. The link and the telephone number will also be in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching, and goodbye. Stay tuned for the next video.